Hello, good people. How are you? Okay, so I am getting a lot of requests lately. Well, not requests. I'm having to show people a lot how to do transitional work, and it's really complicated to explain how to do it. So I'm going to show you this transition now, and it's kick, 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 and then there's a one-bar transition, okay, with a kick roll. Now, what you notice is that to make the transition smooth, I've chopped out all of the elements, so all the percussion. The clap is still there for some reason, and the mid basses are still there, but I've got rid of the sub drone, got rid of the leads, the count melodies are still there, the pads are gone, so you can do this a million different ways. You know, you could remove all these elements, or like I've done, you can just remove some. Okay, so let's listen to it. And you'll hear lots of filtering going on, so let's have a look at the percussion. Let's listen to the mid bass. So you see, as the transition is coming up, I'm doing filtering on different channels. Now what you could do is, let's just unfreeze these. I don't know why I've not done this, to be honest with you. 99% of the time I would do this. So you see that I've left a bit of a gap, okay? So a lot of the time when you're doing a transitional effect, if you leave a little gap in some of your elements, it can really smooth things over. Let's look at a shorter one here. Now in that one, I didn't remove anything. I removed the sub actually, reason being, I do a double kick. Very important, if you do a double kick, that you remove the sub, otherwise the sub's going to get in the way. So that's a nice one. Now let's look at this one, where there's an extended, looks like a 2-bar transition with a nice kick roll. And yeah, let's have a look, listen to it. There you go. So hopefully that helps you understand a little bit about transitions. But lastly, let's have a look at effects. Really important that you can hear your effects on your transitions. There you go. So hopefully that clears everything up. Transitional work and effects volume on your transitions. If you can't hear your risers and they're not loud enough and you've not got any conviction, then there's no point in them being there. But remember, they're there to smooth over your transition and to make energy and build up energy in the transition, okay? So very important. Cheers, guys. Enjoy. Speak soon. Any questions, drop me a line.